To begin, we are using a 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then, on a skillet over medium heat, add in 3 tablespoons of butter. One tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Cook off the flour about 3 minutes. Then add in the artichoke hearts. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then we are adding in 2 cups of whole milk. Continue cooking this mixture for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in 4 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Followed by 4 ounces of smoked Gruyere cheese cut into cubes. The cheese is going to really help thickening this up. The smoked Gruyere cheese is going to add a beautiful color, and it's also going to add a wonderful flavor. After that, add in 10 ounces of frozen spinach, defrosted and fully drained. Toss that in until thoroughly combined. Then season it with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix it all in. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Give that a mix and turn the heat off. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Transfer the dip into a casserole dish. Top it off with freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Now bake at 500 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it develops a nice and golden crust. And while we wait, mince about 2 stems of fresh rosemary. We are also mincing about 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. Then we are using a medium-sized soft baguette and cut all the way across, but make sure not to cut all the way through. What we are creating here is an herbs and Parmesan cheese crusted pull-apart bread. This is going to help with the presentation, and it's also a fun way to eat the dip with. Then, transfer onto a baking tray, preferably lined with parchment paper. Drizzle the bread with a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Followed by the fresh herbs, and some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Bake for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. And after 15 minutes, your spinach artichoke dip should look like this. This is so delicious. The herbs crusted bread really complements the dip. And there you guys have it. Spinach artichoke dip. Enjoy. Buen provecho.